Hi guys, so we meet again. Today we are going to be discussing about chapter 7, mutation, specifically on chromosomal mutation. Alright, unlike gene or point mutation that we have learned before, which only involve one or two nucleotide bases in a gene, chromosomal mutation can either be modification that will result in the changes in the chromosome structure like this one. As you can see, this segment breaks off from the original chromosome, causing the resulting chromosome to carry fewer genes, or changes that result in abnormal chromosome number. Okay, example, a very famous example of condition that results from having irregular number of chromosomes includes Down syndrome. Unlike normal individual that carries 46 chromosomes, okay, because we receive 23 chromosomes from each parent, Down syndrome individual have a total number of chromosomes 47. Alright, so this is because Down syndrome individual carries an extra copy of chromosome number 21. So unlike normal individual who only have 2 copies of chromosome number 21, Down syndrome individual have extra 1 copy of chromosome number 21. Another example of condition that results from having irregular number of chromosomes is Klinefelter syndrome. Alright, for a normal male, okay, we still carry 46 chromosomes, okay, and we have 2 sex chromosomes, X, Y. Okay, for Klinefelter individual, okay, the total number of chromosomes is 47 because that individual carries an extra X chromosomes, X, X, Y. Alright? So, there are 2 types of chromosomal mutation. It's either changes in chromosome structure, okay, what we call as chromosomal aberration, or changes in the chromosome number. Okay, so as you can see, we are going to be focusing on chromosomal aberration, changes in chromosomal structure. So there are 4 types of chromosomal aberration, changes in chromosome structure: deletion, inversion, duplication, and also translocation. For deletion, it means the loss of one or more segment of a chromosome containing one or more genes. Alright, so as you can see, there are 4 segments in this chromosome. Alright, so the blue region here is deleted, causing the chromosome to be shorter. Okay, as we know, this segment contains genes, so the resulting chromosome will carry fewer or lesser genes. Okay, so there'll be some genes that will be missing. All right, so there are several examples of diseases that will result from chromosomal deletion. Okay, but we will only discuss one. Okay, which is the disease of cry-do-chat. Okay, whereby the kid will cry, and the cry that they produce, the sound of cry that they produce, resembles the meowing of a distressed cat. Okay, so what causes cry-do-chat condition is the deletion of short arm of chromosome number 5, as you can see here. Okay, so that's the first type of chromosomal aberration. The second type is inversion. Okay, as you can see here, the original sequence of segment in this original chromosome is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright, so once, okay, so the inversion can happen at any segment. Alright, so in this case, segment D and E become inverted. Alright, so the new mutated chromosome, okay, the sequence of segments will become A, B, C, E, D, F, F, G. Alright, so that is the chromosomal inversion. So this is the definition of chromosomal inversion. A segment of chromosome breaks off at 2 points, turn 180 degrees within the chromosome, and rejoin again in a reverse orientation. Alright, so that is chromosomal inversion. And then the third type of chromosomal aberration is duplication. As you can see, this is the original segments in the wild type or normal chromosome, we have green, orange, blue, and purple. And as you can see, the blue region got duplicated. All right. So there must be twice as number of gene, okay, present in this region. Okay. All right. So this is definition of chromosomal duplication. A segment of chromosome containing one or more genes become duplicated, result in the gain of additional set of genes. Alright, so let's have a look at the last type of chromosomal aberration, which is translocation. Alright, so this is definition of chromosomal translocation. So it refers to the transfer of segments of chromosome between non-homologous chromosome. Alright, so as you can see in this picture, okay, so the segments are exchanged between chromosome number 4 and chromosome number 20. Okay, so this is when you get the exchange of chromosome segments, like this one exchange. So, okay, so we call this type of translocation as reciprocal. All right, but if there is only one chromosome giving, okay, it segment to the other chromosome, but not receiving anything back from the other chromosome, so that is called as non-reciprocal. To recap, today we have learned about chromosomal mutation. We know that there are two types of chromosomal mutation. It's either change in the chromosome structure or change in chromosomal number. Today we have specifically focused on change in the chromosome structure, or also known as chromosomal aberration. We have looked at the definition of the 4 types of chromosomal aberration, and we have also looked at an example of disease that is caused by deletion, which is Cri-du-Chat. In the next lesson, we will look at chromosomal mutation that change in the chromosome number.